Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by building a clean stroke foundation. Pick a 100-200 character sample that represents your regular letter shapes, because variety trains the model faster. Once done, capture high-resolution scans or 300 dpi photos under even lighting to avoid noise. Next, segment glyphs into individual strokes and label approximate start and end points. That gives the model shape and timing cues. Make sure to include a few repeated letters, so the system learns pressure and micro variations. Now you model the strokes and their timing. Convert each segmented stroke into vector paths with x, y coordinates over time, normalizing for size and baseline so letters align. Then augment data with controlled jitter, slant, and speed variations to teach natural inconsistency. Keep classes balanced to avoid bias toward common letters. Train a sequence model, an RNN or transformer, to predict X, Y positions plus pen-up/pen-down flags, and a pressure proxy. This combination simulates the how and why of real handwriting dynamics. To finish, synthesize handwriting by converting input text into character sequences, sampling stroke outputs from the trained model, and rendering them with an ink simulator that applies stroke width and pressure. Evaluate results visually and with metrics like dynamic time warping and stroke distribution similarity to your sample. This tells you why errors persist. If things go wrong, inspect segmentation quality, add more samples for rare glyphs, or adjust sampling temperature to reduce jitter, then retrain briefly to refine behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.